Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman states that he inquired of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, how would Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam perform the prayer in Ramadan? Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha replied, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would not perform more than 11 units in Ramadan or any month other than Ramadan. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform 4 units and do not ask me about their elegance and length. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then again would perform 4 units and do not ask about their elegance and length. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereafter would perform 3 units witr. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, do you go to sleep before performing witr? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, O Aisha, my eyes sleep, but my heart does not sleep. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1720.